Hey guys, I'm back at Home Depot checking out the deals they have going on. And now, starting off in the clearance section, they have a deal on the DeWalt 20-volt jigsaw. It's on a clearance deal at $116. It was $179. They also have the 20-volt reciprocating saw, tool only. This is the brushed model. They have this on clearance for 99 bucks. I don't know what the retail was. They also have a clearance deal on the DeWalt Impact Connect. It's made for plumbers, basically. You can do inside cuts of PVC pipe cutter. I showed this on a video when I came out with it recently. It's already on clearance now. The thing that's nice about it has laser etched depth markings, so you can cut it flush to the ground. This would be great for installing toilets like on concrete, or just doing flush cuts to concrete or other surfaces by cutting the pipe on the inside. That clearance price is 15 bucks. It was 20. And they're also running a clearance deal on the angle grinder from DeWalt 20 volt one. This is the brushed one. I have this one. It works pretty good. It is tool only. Price at 116. It was 129. I think they marked this DeWalt 20 volt mower down even more on clearance. It does come with two 10 amp hour batteries. It's rated for up to an 80-minute run time. It's equivalent to a 163 cc gas engine. The clearance price is 490 bucks. It was 729. And they're running a deal on the Ryobi 2000 PSI 1.2 gallon per minute electric power washer. The new lower price is 179. It was 219. It looks like a pretty decent deal on that. And they're still running some deals on the Ryobi 40 volt attachment capable string trimmer. Price at 159. It does include a 4 amp hour battery of the 40 volt battery. And it is attachment capable one, so you can go with these attachments for $79, your choice of either the 18-inch hedge trimmer or the 10-inch brush cutter attachment. On those, you're saving $20. And another option they have from Ryobi is a 40 volt blower kit with a 4 amp hour battery for $159. It's a good deal there. And with these Ryobi deals, they are good until November 3rd. So here's the new signage for the new M12 Milwaukee deals they just came out with. And you buy a starter kit. You have two different options actually. So you could buy this starter kit for $199. That includes two of the 5 amp hour high output batteries and a charger. Buy that kit for 200 bucks. Then you have the option to get these select tools for free. So those options do include the oscillating multi-tool, which is the fuel, the 6-inch pruning saw, the 3/8 high-speed ratchet, the 1/4-inch straight die grinder, the 3-inch compact cutoff tool, the 12-volt grease gun, the submersible stick water transfer pump, the 1/4-inch hex impact driver, that is the fuel one, the soldering iron, the compact inflator, the 3/8 crown stapler, the job site speaker, and then the spot blower. Those are your options there to get for free for the $200 kit. They do have another option here from the M12 lineup. It's when you buy this starter kit. It includes two of the 2 amp hour batteries and charger for $129. Then you get one of these select tools for free. So you have the fuel 1/4-inch hex impact driver, the soldering iron, the 3/8 crown stapler, the compact inflator, the job site speaker, as well as the blower. So very good options there. I will have links to these deals in the description. You can pick them up online. They're running them also on their website. You do have until October 26th for this deal, so you have about a month and a half left of that. So pretty decent deal there. Which one will you pick up? Obviously the better one to go for as far as the most expensive, that's going to be the 1/4-inch straight die grinder, the fuel one, for $229 value there you're getting for free. So pretty decent deals there, especially with the two 5 amp hour high output batteries. And here's what they're offering for the M18 lineup. So you buy this starter kit, which includes two of the 6 amp hour high output batteries, as well as the charger. That's priced at $299 for that kit. Then you have your options of the free tool, which is 18 volt belt sander. That's a $279 value. The mid torque impact wrench, also a $279 value. The 18 volt inflator, it's a $179 value. And then they have another option here. You buy this starter kit for $219. That includes a 5 amp hour battery and charger. And you have your option of either the hydraulic surge impact driver or the drywall screw gun. That's a $179 value. A couple different options there. You do have until October 26th for this deal. And they're also running a deal on the 6-piece SDS Plus MX4. It's 4 cutter and chisel kit for your SDS Plus rotary hammer. That's priced at $35. That was $40. Another option they have is a 9-piece SAE half-inch drive impact socket set. It includes from half-inch all the way up to 1-inch sockets. Those are deep ones. Priced at $49.97. It was $60. And another option from the M18 Milwaukee lineup is when you buy a select tool or kit, you get a free battery. So the options are for $199, you get the 2-tool combo kit, which is a drill and impact driver with 2 of the 2 amp hour batteries and a charger. $149 is a cutout tool. $149 is the 5-inch orbit sander. $139 is the 2-gallon wet dry vac. $129 is the compact blower. And $149 is the multi-tool. This is the brushed one. So again, you buy one of these tools, you get a free battery, which is a 2.0 battery. Value is $109. It goes down on October 26th. And they do have some tool savings. So they have the 18 volt blower. I believe this is rated at 500 CFM or right around there. It's the Gen 3 one. Priced at $149. It was $199. But if you pay attention to the deals they do online, a few months back I actually picked up this blower with a pair of safety glasses for only like $115. Normally I see the deal come up online around $129, so maybe be on the lookout for that when it comes up again maybe. Another deal they're offering is the 18 volt 16-inch chainsaw. The lower price at $279 and it was $329. And here's another M12 deal they came out with. So you buy one of these tools or kits, then you get a free 2-pack of the 1.5 batteries. That's a $99 value. So the options are for $249 is the cable stapler, tool only. The 3/8 ratchet, tool only for $149. And then $99 is the 1/4-inch hex screwdriver kit. That also includes 2 batteries and a charger. And then again, you get that 2-pack of the 1.5 batteries. It's a $99 value. These deals are also going down on October 26th. Other options they have on this sign is the 18 volt floodlight kit. It's the M18 Rover. It includes a 2.0 battery as well as one of those pin lights for $149. They have a 2-piece auto lighting kit. So it includes the light that goes around your neck. You can recharge it with the red lithium USB battery. It also includes a 1.5 battery and a charger for this light here. That's priced at $129. And then they have the 12 volt mounting fan for $99. And they also have the supply charger, the power supply and charger for $69. And here's more Milwaukee deals. The M12 lineup. It's when you buy one of these tools or kits, you get the 2 3 amp hour batteries. This is one that I would have let you know about before that they were already currently running. It looks like they extended it to also October 26th. So for $229, you get the 3/8 stubby impact wrench. For $249, you get the 3/8 extended reach high-speed ratchet. $199 is the 1/4-inch high-speed ratchet. $199 is the surge hydraulic driver kit with 2 amp hour batteries and a charger. Also $199 is the installation drill driver kit with 2 amp hour batteries. And $249 is the 2-tool combo kit with the 4 amp hour and 2 amp hour battery and charger. Those are the fuel ones. So you buy any of those tools or kits, then you get the 2-pack of the 3 amp hour battery for free. That's a $129 value. Again, you have until October 26th for this deal. And they're running a deal on the M12 air tip utility nozzle for the shop vacs. Priced at only $50 now. It was $79. So what you do with this is you put an M12 battery in right here to help power the head there to make it more stronger suction. Another deal they have on the air tip claw utility nozzle with brushes, priced at $15. It was $20. Another deal is on the long reach crevice tool air tip for only $15. It was $20. The things that's nice about these air tips is that it accommodates different size hoses from the different size shop vacs. And here's what I'm talking about, for example. So it will fit 1.25 inch, 1 7/8, and 2.5 inch hose sizes, all in the one tool. It's pretty nice. I have a few of these myself, and they work great. And they still have a clearance deal on this M18 USB charger. So you put on an M18 battery, and you can charge devices like your phone through the USB port. That price is only $15. It was $29. There's a couple new torpedo levels I haven't seen before, so it's new to me. I'm not sure if it's been out for a while or not. But they have this one that's a lighted one. It has dual LED lighted vials. That price is $31. Then they have a regular 10-inch torpedo level. Also has 3 rare earth magnets. It has high contrast surrounds for only $24 there. All right, that's going to be the best deals I could find for this week at Home Depot. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this. I really do appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.